Muslims should not like cats. They should love them dearly. Cats are regarded as a significant animal in Islam. Our Prophet loved cats. Cats allow angels to enter your home. A cat's saliva is pure. They keep themselves clean. The Prophet even made ablution from the water a cat drank from. The Prophet himself said that the cat is not impure. It is merely one of your companions who frequently wanders amongst you. They are the only pure animals that can enter a mosque. They are welcomed in Masjid al-Haram. Showing love to a cat is a reward in itself from Allah. Did you know the cat can step on anything else but will not step on the Quran? Treating animals like cats is a huge part of our faith as good Muslims who care for the creation of Allah. On top of all this, the characteristics of cats is that of gentleness. They are soft creatures. They like to be cuddled and cuddle. They are great companions, period.